Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So let's learn today a new number. It is Adam's number. So what we are going to learn today's concept is Adam number. So we are checking whether the given number is Adam number or not. Okay. So now before that we need to understand what is the meaning of Adam number. It is very simple. Let's understand. Square, square of a number, square of a number, and square of its reverse. Square of a number. This is first one, and the second one is square of a number and the square of its reverse. Square of its reverse. Yes, reverse. So both has to be equal. The square of a number and the square of its reverse is reverse to each other. Yes, both, what we can say is, third point is reverse to each other. Yes. So now here, for example, I'm giving here the number. The number is 12. Square of a number. What is the square of this? Square of this, 12 into 12, 144. Yes. Now reverse of its square. So reverse of it, square of its reverse, square of its reverse. So what is the square? What is the reverse of this? See here, square. We are doing square of its reverse. So now here 12 is there. What is the reverse of 12? 21. And what is the square of 21? It is 441. So both are reverse to each other, right? Yes. So that's what it is saying here. So for more clear understanding, let me explain you with one more number. Yes. So my number is number. I'm taking this number 13. 13 is my number. Fine. Now what I need to do? I need to square this. Square the 13. After square means what? 13 into 13. Yes. 13 into 13, how much? 169. We already know. Now reverse the number. Reverse n. Reverse the n. Yes. Okay. Now when I do reverse, what will be the reverse of n? It is 31. Okay. Now square of reverse n. Reverse n. So which square I need to do? 31 square. 31 into 31. So which will give me the answer? 31 into 31. It is 961. 961. Yes. So now in this, what we are saying here is 961 is the reverse of this. Yes. Both are reverse to each other. 169 is reverse. So if reverse 169, make this reverse. Reverse. If I make this reverse, what I will get? 961. Similarly, if I make this 961 reverse, then what it is? It is simple. Reverse, and it will be 169. Yes. So I hope you understood by these two examples. So whenever we are getting in these cases, it means what? This is called Adam's number. Okay. So we can say that 13 is Adam number. Yes. You can try with any other number also. Like for example, we have 15. What is the square of 15? Yes. 15 into 15. How much? 225. 225. Yes. Now reverse of 15 is what? 51. What is the square of 51? 51 into 51. So that I need to calculate once. Let's see. Calculator. 51 into 51 equal to, yes, 2 2601. So this is nowhere. If we reverse this, I will not get this one. Yes, the reverse of this I will not get, and the reverse of this I will not get it. Yes, yeah, 15 whole square. Correct. So we are not going to get this. So we can say that 15 is not Adam number. Adam number. I hope you understood. Fine. So now we have understood. Now let's see how we are going to code this. Yes. So now let's start our coding. In the coding itself, I will tell you the logic how we are going to do. So main first thing is logic is first a number n, number, first point. Yes. Second one is reverse it, reverse, and then find the squares of it, and then square of numbers, both the number and reversed number, reverse the number. Yes. And then compare. Okay. So this we can do. Now let's see how we can write the code for this here. First I'm taking a num is equal to, so int of input of enter a number. That's it. Now what I need to do here is I need to take x and y. Why I have to take this, I will explain you. Now x is equal to num. I need to make a square of x, right? X, and also reverse square of the same number in the reverse way. So the number square, how we can do the square? Yes, we already know exponent operator 2. So now I will get what? Square of the number. Then in y what I need to do? In y I need to reverse the number. Yes. So let's do the reverse. By writing reverse, it will not become reverse. We have to write a function for this definition, function definition. So here what I'm passing here is num. So this num I wanted to make a reverse. So it has to return something. Okay. So whatever the return part it is, we are getting the return, the reverse of it. To that I need to make what? Square. Yes. Yeah. Now once this is done, what is next? What is next? Now what we have to do is comparison. I will tell you about reversing, but now we are seeing that on a general way what we are doing here. Okay. So now here the comparison starts with the if. In the if, what I'm comparing, if my x is equal to what it has to be equal? Reverse of y, right? Reverse of y. Yes, reverse of y. If this condition is true, then we can say that print it is Adam number. It is Adam number. Okay, comparison we are doing. Else it is not Adam's number. Print it is not Adam number. Simple. So now in this, what is missing? We have to create one. What we have to create? We have to create one function of a reverse, which will give me the reverse of my numbers. Yes. So how to make a reverse? Let's see. Now let me define a function def. Now before this, for example, if I'm taking here, what I'm taking here, 13 is my number. So what is the square of the 13? Square of 13, yes, 169. Yeah. Now here, this we are going to do, and then yes, let me write first this definition of this. So def reverse, and in this reverse, what I need to pass? Already I'm passing here reverse num, so I can take n. Yes. Now what I should write in the body of this? So whenever I got the n, first thing is I need to convert it into string. Why I have to convert it into string? If I'm doing some slicing operator to reverse, yeah, slicing, we are using slicing now. So for that we need what? A string. Yes. So I'm just taking here uh, for conversion, I'm just converting it into string. So I'm just taking here t str. We have a inbuilt method called str of n. Okay, done. Now it got converted, and where I'm storing in t. Okay, so I need to store it somewhere because I need to make use of that. Now once I got that number in string, now what I need to do? Now I can apply that index. I can apply what? Slicing, reverse order slicing. So for that, what I can do here is I can take I have to store it in one variable. So let it as reverse of t is equal to, now t of, this is slicing, colon -1. Yes, whenever we are doing this -1, it will reverse. Now what we need to do? I need to return that. Yes, because here what is happening here? Y is equal to, we are giving a call, and whenever we are giving a call and storing it one variable, it means what? Return. Yes, whatever we are going to return, it will come here. The control will come here. Yes. So first we need to return. What I need to return? This is already in a string, but I need to convert it into what? Integer. So int of what? rt. Fine. So what I have done here, I have converted into integer back. Yes. Now whenever it is giving me in the reverse order, see for example here 169 I got. Good. Now reverse of num. What is the num? Num is 13. 13 already I have written here, right? 13. So this num 13 will store here. We are passing this num 13 here, and this 13 now it is in string. Now after this what it will do? It will make it as 31. Yes, when we got this 31, we have to return it by integer, then only we can perform the operations. So 31 is getting returned here. Yes, once it is get returned, now 31 whole square. So what is the 31 whole square? 961. Yes. And what is happening here? Here we are checking what is x is equal to reverse of y. Yes or no? So x is this. So see here, we are checking 169 is equal to reverse of y. Y is what? 961. So reverse of y means what? 169. So both are true, right? It is true. True. When it is true, then it is our Adam number. Yes. Now let's execute this code. Control yes. Yeah. Let me execute it again. Yeah. So now I'm entering 13. It is Adam number. Yes. Now again, here it is 12. It is also odd number. Good. Now again, if I'm entering 15, no, it is not an odd number. Understood? So guys, I guess you understood this. Now this is all clear. Okay. Now in the exam, in interview or in the placement drive, there will be a question. The question is print all Adam numbers from 100 to 200 or some range. They'll be giving some range, some random range. So this we have to execute. How to do this? Okay, this we have checked whether it is a add-on number or not. We have checked, that is good. But now see, yeah, here this also comment. Now for that purpose, what we have to do is this reversing will be remaining same, whatever it is. Now this x and y, we are not taking that particular number, right? Now we are working on a range. So we'll remove this part. Remove this. Now what we need to do is range, right? So we are going to iterate over these many numbers, 100 to 200. For the iteration purpose, what we have to take loop for num, and also now we don't require this num. Yeah. So this is my definition, function definition for the reversing. Now once this reversing is done, now iteration num in range. What is the range? 100 to 200. Yes. Now once this is done, now in this, now we have to take the x. What we have taken x num, whatever the num we are getting from the 100, again 101, 102, it is keep on checking like this. So num double start 2. Yes. Now next one is y. Y is equal to reverse, because we already have defined the function reverse. Reverse of what? Num. Yes, num. So this logic remains the same logic, but what we are doing here is everything we are writing inside the for loop. Yes. Now if x is equal to reverse of what? Y. If it is true, then we are asking to print number, this num. Yes, that's it. Now let's see, this is what returning, this will return us what it will return, a reverse of a number, and here it will print the ranges, and the logic remains same. This is the logic. Yes. Now let's execute this. So how much I got? 101, 102, 103. These all are what? Adam's number. How it is Adam numbers? Yes. So you can square this and you can reverse and square, both will be reverse to each other. Yes. So in the similar way, you can make it as 2000. Here it is as 1000, and then execute it. Yes. So guys, it is perfectly working. So I wanted you all to learn, practice. Okay. So thank you for this. That's it for the day.